Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this infected soldier makeup. Let's go! Let's start by giving our soul to the demon. Just kidding, you can just use sclera lenses like myself. To make the wounds, I'm going to be using latex on these triangle sponges that I pulled out some bits to give it some texture. I'm going to apply the latex on my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, and my nose. Then you want to grab some tissue paper or toilet paper and just rip it in random pieces so it doesn't look like a square when you lay it on the skin. And then before the latex dries, you want to pick it with a stainless steel spatula to make little holes that look like blisters. Now it's time to paint. I'm going to be using Van Nuys water activated palette. You can also use alcohol based paints as well as grease paint. As you can see, I'm starting with some yellows and I'm also using this sea sponge, which is great when it comes to texture. And also because I don't want any even color on my skin, I wanted a mix of yellows and purples and reds, so it doesn't look human, as if I were sick or infected. There isn't really a specific technique I use to paint this look. I just went for it and added red around my nose and later on my lips. I added a lot of purple around the eyes. Purple is great for this kind of zombie looks because it gives you that vein effect across your face, and I think it just brings the entire look together. Don't forget your neck. Your infection goes to your body as well, not just your face. Now I'm going with a bit of red to make my skin look patchy and uneven. Also, do not forget about your eyes. You want to get some red in there to make them look very irritated. Now, still using this reddish, pinkish color, I'm going to be outlining the bruises. I went in with some more red in my inner eye corners and added some more on my lid because I thought that part was missing something. To color the inside of my wounds, I'm going to be using a mixture of yellow and green to achieve that really gross pus look that I was going for. And guess what? We are going to be using actual pus. It looks super gross and it is perfect for this kind of infected looks. I am now applying it on the inside of my wounds. And now with some scab blood, I'm going to be adding a bit more on my nostrils and I'm going to be outlining the wounds as well, just so they look more gross and infected. Then I thought this wasn't gross enough, so I added more pus. Then I thought the wounds were looking too red, so I added more purple and also decided to draw in some veins. The trick to draw veins is to be very uneven with the pressure you put on your brush, just so some of it looks kind of see-through and others are very noticeable, just like real veins. Since my lips were looking too alive and too pink, I decided to add some concealer to make them look pale, and of course added some blood on the edges of my mouth. And lastly, I'm just adding a bit more of yellow because I think it disappeared in the middle of the reds and purples, and I think now it looks more put together. finally, we are done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if you did. Also, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!